Ja, hinter mir die wohl berühmteste Hotelruine hier auf den Azoren. In den 80er Jahren hat eine französische Hotelkette hier versucht, einen Kasten hinzubauen, der genau 1,5 Jahre funktioniert hat und seitdem eine Ruine ist. Auch wenn der Zutritt offiziell nicht erlaubt ist. Es gibt aber Durchbrüche in der Mauer und ich glaube, jeder Tourist hier auf der Insel war hier schon mal. Denn von oben gibt es eine sensationelle Aussicht. In diesem Clip werde ich also einige Bilder zeigen und Eindrücke sowohl von innen als auch von der Landschaft drumherum. Und ihr werdet sehen, es lohnt sich. So hello, what's your name please?
Francisco.
Francisco,
Yeah,
okay.
but everybody calls me Frank. So.
We're here at this great food truck, which is right at one of the most famous views of the Azores and one of the most famous hotel ruins. Can you explain briefly the history of this thing?
Okay, this hotel, good morning to everyone. This hotel was originally built by a French group on the 80s. They started working on from 89, April 89, and then it closed 1.5 years later. So it closed on December 1990. 30 something years ago, there was no tourism like we do have today. Tourism just 3 months of the year, so from July to September. So winter time we had no tourism, so no tourists, no guests, so it went bankrupt.
And nobody is interested in buying this again.
Yeah, from what we heard, and again, this is what we heard, there was a Chinese group that recently, maybe a year, purchased that, but just the other day I've heard, and again, this could be gossips, I heard that that same Chinese group called a local company here, you know, they planning to sell it, so they want to get an appraisal in order to sell it again.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, welcome.
And good luck. Bye-bye.
Right.
Tschüss.